Was that thunder?
I think so.
It is! Sammy, no, like thunder. Don't be scared. It's just the sound of the sea as the brave pirates sail their ship looking for treasure. We are brave pirates. And this is our pirate ship. We have lots of treasure to find. It's time to set sail. Quick, Sammy, there's a big wave coming.
Oh, something tells me we are going on an adventure.
Aha! A pirate adventure!
Well done, Sammy. You're very brave.
Ha! Mya and Sammy Go are taking on stormy seas.
Let me see.
It's fun being a pirate.
Land ahoy!
Ha! Mya Go has spotted something dead ahead.
Oh, what's this? It's a treasure map.
Ha! Me hearties.
We have to get there before any other pirates do. It's a race against time. It's time to take to the sea.
Time to set sail.
The waves are getting bigger. Hold on tight. Almost there. That was very brave sailing.
Oh, I like the telescope.
Yippee! It's the island on our treasure map.
Anchors away! Ho-har!
We have to dig like pirates, Sammy. Watch.
Oh, that's really good digging, Mya. You really are a great pirate.
Yo ho ho.
Ha-ha-ha!
Yo yo yo.
Ho-har! What's this then?
Here it is. I wonder what's inside. Treasure! We did it! Yay!
Ha-ha! Well done, Mya and Sammy Go.
Our work for the day is done. It's time to head for home until our next adventure.
Homeward bound. Ha-har! Ha-har!
Night-night, Sammy. Bye-bye, Thunder. Come back another day so we can play brave pirates again.